I think every small activity you do actually matters at the end. And I had this great feeling because during my training I got this super good opportunity to participate to 3 open heart surgeries in Europe. And in that moment you really realize that your job is not really longer about components, but it's about the people. So you really work with surgeons, with perfusionists, and ultimately with the patient. And you really feel like the work is important.
I am very proud to be a part of this family. Our job is to deliver the part at the right time and with the right quantity. As you know, our customers are not the hospital, are the patient.
It makes me also proud when I speak to my friends or my colleagues that I'm working for a leading manufacturer of heart-lung machines, like the 70% stakeholder of the market, and I'm working for that company, and I'm actually doing some meaningful job with my degree. So that excites me the most.
What makes me proud? It's proud to be a member of the whole team. We help to use our products, and we help to have other people, the patients, to have a better life.
What I like very much is about the collaborative culture and active agility. So I come from Italy. Here in Munich, we have here a multicultural environment where there are always different perspectives. And what is great that when we face obstacle, issue, or there are requests to change, we take a look at the different perspective, we decide all together, and we overcome the obstacle together.
We work on products which save patients' life, and having this in mind, you can really see the passion of the people working for this in each department. And feeling this passion and seeing this passion every day makes me proud working for LivaNova.
In my point of view, my job helps patients because I'm recruiting the people who are producing these machines and manufacturing. So without these people, we wouldn't be able to build these life-saving machines.